Welcome to the Stock Market Report. I am Abiola Ismail. Trading on the Nigerian Exchange Limited ended on Tuesday with a bearish performance as key market indicators extended their downward trend. Equity market capitalization contracted to 155.97 trillion naira from 156.52 trillion naira recorded in the previous trading session on Monday. The all-share index dropped by 843.42 points to close at 241,611.23, compared to 242,454.65 registered on Monday, reflecting sustained selling pressure across major market sectors. A breakdown of index movement revealed widespread declines. The NGX main board index slipped to 10,892.14 points, while the NGX 30 index fell to 8,859.78 points. The NGX Premium Index dropped from 28,662.38 to 28,487.84 points, driven by losses in major financial stocks. The NGX Banking Index recorded a notable dip, slipped to 2,490.17 points from 2,536.29 points, while the NGX Consumer Goods Index and NGX Oil and Gas Index closed lower at 4,049.97 and 5,201.49 points, respectively. The NGX Growth Index decreased to 27,136.42 points, whereas the NGX Insurance Index posted a slight uptick, closing marginally higher at 1,112.50 points. In terms of trading activities within the equity market, investors executed 36,625 trades involving 429.81 million shares across all trading boards. The main board accounted for the lion's shares of market volumes, generating 346,082 million shares exchanged across 20,316 deals. The trading on the premium board recorded 66.90 million shares traded in 13,013 transactions. The growth board contributed 11.12 million shares from 1,167 shares traded, while the non-interest finance board and the rate and closed-ended funds segment generated 3.25 million shares and 1.72 million shares respectively. The price gainers were led by Haldane McCall plc, which surged 9.97% to close at 3 naira 20 kobo per share. Veritas Capital Assurance plc gained 7 naira and 9 kobo per 7.09% to finish at 1 naira 36 kobo, while Tantalizers plc advanced 5.26% to settle at 4 naira per share. Halti Briscoe plc climbed 4.31% to 10 naira 90 kobo. Regency Assurance plc rose to 3.66% to close at 85 kobo. And Coronation Insurance plc appreciated 2.27% to close at 2 naira 25 kobo per share. Other notable advancers included International Energy Insurance plc, Cortex plc, and Lasaco Assurance plc. Conversely, Red Screen dominated the losers table, led by Red Star Express plc, which dropped 10.00% to close at 16 naira 20 kobo per share. Transnational Express plc tumbled 9.94% to close at 2 naira 81 kobo, while Maya plc fell 9.88% to close at 15 naira and 5 kobo per share. Chalaram plc slid 9.77% to close at 9 naira 70 kobo per share. Fortis Global Insurance plc decreased by 9.70% to close at 2 naira 14 kobo per share, and Ever Capital plc shed 9.49% to close at 7 naira 15 kobo per share. Banking heavyweights also faced downward momentum, with Fidelity Banks plc declining by 6.59% to close at 20 naira 55 kobo, and First Old Coke plc dipping 5.71% to close at 132 naira per share. Activities across alternative asset classes remained focused on exchange-traded products and fixed income instruments. The EPS segment logged by 1,014 trades with a total volume of 411,551 units, where the vertical consumers goods ETP gained 3 naira 9 kobo per share to close at 57 naira 72 kobo, while the Stanbic IBTC ETF 30 and Simply Pension ETF both shared 10.00%. In the debt security market, trading volume stood at 7,504 units across 4 trades, highlighted by transactions in sovereign non-interest finance board instruments, including the 11.20% FGN June 2027 Sukuk and the 15.75% FGN October 2033 Sukuk. That's all we have for you today at this moment. I am Abiola Ismail.